Wagwan guys, sorry that this video is coming by this time. Like, I'm so sorry about that. So, I'm supposed to be keeping a track record of everything during the course of the competition, all the trades I've been taking and all of that. So, I'm sorry that I have to record this at this point in time. It's already 7 p.m. and I just said, no, 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 good luck. You must record this thing. I don't want to record it the next day. So, I think today is 10th, yeah, 10th of July 2024. So, yesterday was the first trading day. Today is second trading day. So let's see how the competition is going. Let me show you guys the outcome of the trade and everything. I told myself no, 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 because they might not likely restore power this night. It might be tomorrow, early in the morning tomorrow, probably around um 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. So that's why I just said to record this at this point in time. Then just show you guys what's the outcome of today's trade. So let's go to my screen. So guys, welcome to my screen. So let's now do our post analysis for today. You guys can see I lost two freaking trades today. One during London session, the other one during New York session. So okay, so let's analyze. Let's see what happened. Let's see what really happened. That was that of yesterday. I don't know. Gold has just been crazy these days. Like I got stopped out, went a little bit in my favor, still dropped. Yeah, I got the spike here was too much. I don't know if it was a fundamental, if it was news that caused it, but the spike here was just something else. Then at this point, I got spiked out, price later went to my favor. Although this was my overall target, but I feel I would have maybe broken even before price finally reversed. Gold has been crazy. Like this week, gold has been crazy. Let's check. I don't want this thing to take time. Let's check the daily time frame. Okay, let's check. Okay, yeah, the daily time frame. So I don't know, since this week, this was Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. Yeah, since Monday, good has been crazy. I don't know, it has been crazy. But anyway, let's go to our 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. See, just imagine, why did this guy reverse from this level? This is not a key level. Why did this fucking reverse? Sorry about my F word. But why did this guy reverse from this level? From this level? Why? Why should you reverse from here? What happened? What did you see here that made you reverse? That's the problem. But anyways, all good, all good. There's no level here. So why did it reverse? I don't know. So on the normal, this was my overall target. So now let's go to our trade, which our entry time frame, which is the 5 minutes. What really happened? Let's see what really happened. So yeah, as for this guy, this is a level. This is a level from 1 hour time frame, as you can see from a H. This H represents my 1 hour time frame. This is a level from the 1 hour time frame. And okay, the reason I entered this trade around this level was because I took this guy as a neckline. I regarded this as a neckline. So upon the break of the neckline with the full body candle, I entered my stop loss below this level. So, but eventually, immediately I entered, I see my village people were after me. Immediately I entered, price reversed and kicked me out. Later went to my favor a little bit. So this was what happened. This was the first entry, and that entry was around 11:35, still London session, which means I obeyed my trading plan. I entered during London session. Then the second entry I had was around 1:40 p.m. So I don't know. I think it was FOMO that caused this kind of way because price on the normal, I was expecting price to take out this level, this 1 hour level. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. I was expecting price to take out the 1 hour level. Then from the 1 hour level, I was expecting to ride price all the way to this level. You see, the reversal here, I don't even see why gold reverse from here. I don't see any reason why it reversed from here. There's no significant level here that just made it reverse. I don't know, Sha. But in the either ways, this was the 1 hour the 1 hour's level coming. This was the 1 hour level. Yeah, this was the 1 hour level. I was expecting price to take out. Okay, I was expecting price to take out this level. If price take out this level, I was expecting to ride price all the way from here, which is about how many pips? Let's check. All the way from around here, all the way from around here to this place, which is about, let's say, roughly 150 pips. Yeah, I was expecting to ride price from here to here if price takes out this 1 hour level. But so look at what happened at that level. Back to my 5 minutes time frame. Look at what happened at that level. Price got to this level, started consolidating, consolidation. Then I was thinking, I regarded this as a neckline. So my plan was to enter in it after the break of the neckline. So when price took out the neckline, I entered. So after entering, I got stopped out. Then for this level, now after price broke out this level, price did a slight retracement. Then finally took out this high. Then after taking out this high, I entered again. Okay, it took out this high. Price then formed another neckline again. Look at what happened. Price broke out from this level. It broke out, created a low, created a high, created another low. So upon price even took out this particular high that I created here. Price took it out. So my plan was to enter on the next candle after this candle that took out the neckline. Then my stop loss below this low. Then my plan was to enter around here. Yeah, enter around here. Then my stop loss below this level. So then I'll ride it to, okay, let me do the other way around. Then I'll ride it to this level. I'll ride it to this level. This level is from the 4-hour time frame and from the daily time frame as well. So I was expecting price as price took out this level here. As price took out this level here, this level, price also took out this level. So look what happened here. Price has taken out this level. It broke out from this level, created a low already, went ahead to create a high, created another low, going ahead to create another high. So upon taking out this particular high here, I entered here, then my stop loss below this low. Then I'm expecting to ride price to this level, but unfortunately it didn't happen. Price came, took me out again, then went up again before it finally reversed. So now, what are the lessons I learned from this trade, from today's trade now? The lessons I learned for the lessons I learned from today's trade. Let me now tell you guys the lessons I learned from today's trade. We will jot it down together on my trading journal. So what did I learn from today's trade? So look what I learned. For the first trade I took in the morning, which was this one. Price got to a zone. I wasn't expected to do anything yet. The price was approaching a zone. This is a zone that price was approaching, this 1 hour level. I was not expected to do anything yet. Unless I have my confirmation. My confirmation didn't come before I entered this trade. I don't know if it's FOMO or excitement. I don't just know what to call it. But when price gets to a zone, according to my trading plan, when price gets to a zone, I would wait for it to either know. I'll wait to know if price will either respect the zone or it will disrespect it. Those are the two things I look out for. When price gets to a zone, I'll prepare. I'll just sit back and wait to know if price will respect the zone or it will just disrespect it. But I didn't do that. Price just got to the zone. I entered and I got spiked out. So what I would have done was that I would have waited to know if price will respect this 1 hour level or it will just disrespect it. If price respects the 1 hour level, that means I'll be expecting a reversal. As when if price was to respect the 1 hour level, I'll be expecting a reversal to the downside. But if price should disrespect the 1 hour level, then I'll be expecting a breakout to the upside. Yeah, a breakout to the upside. So it's that of these two things that happen. Price that goes up or it comes down. So I would have waited to see my confirmation around this level. I would have waited to see a confirmation around this level before entering the trade. But I didn't wait. That was the one mistake I made. But fine, the mistake has been made and I've noted that. Then what then happened during the London session? What then happened during the New York session, the second trade? What later happened during the New York session, which was the second trade? Let's see what happened. So for this particular one, what happened there? Let me try to observe what happened. Okay. For this particular one, I don't really see any. Okay, on a normal, I would have entered around here actually. Okay. I know what happened now. If I would have entered around there, this is around 110. It's not yet New York session. I entered this trade before New York session. New York session starts by 2 p.m., but I entered this trade around 1:40 p.m. That was another mistake I made. Yeah, I entered the trade by 1:40 p.m. when it was not yet New York session. Fear of missing out. That's what caused this one. FOMO. I saw that price took out this 1 hour level. I didn't want to miss out on the ride. I just wanted to ride price to this level. So it's FOMO that caused this one. I entered the trade when it was not yet New York session. According to my trading plan, during New York session, before I enter my trade, I should make sure that the time is exactly after New York session. Like it should be 2 p.m. downwards. So now, assuming I entered the trade during New York session, what would have happened? Let's see. As me, I waited for New York session. Okay, when was it 2 p.m.? It was 2 p.m. around from this. Let me see the candle that formed 2 p.m. Okay, it was this particular last bearish candle that made it that formed at 2 p.m. So after this candle formed, this was the neckline that was already created. This was the neckline that was already created at that point in time. This was the neckline that was already created. So when this neckline created, I would have entered this trade legitimately from my trading plan. I would have entered this trade around this level. This candle would have been my entry candle after a breakout of this neckline. Then my stop loss would have been around here, below the candle. Then my TP around here. And as me, I waited. You see why patience is very, very important. As me, I waited. This is a sweet 1:5 risk to reward. 5.95. That's the risk to reward. And then just imagine what would have happened now. When would I have hopped out of this trade? Yeah, my stop loss would have been around this level. Let's say around this level. I'll just give you small allowance, small space, breathing space. So I would have also been stopped out. You see, I would have also been stopped out on this trade, honestly. As mean I entered during New York session. So I don't know. Gold is just in reality, I would have been stopped out during this New York session trade. So let's say today is just not our day. Gold has just been terrible this week. We hope for a better trading day tomorrow. We hope that tomorrow will be better. That's just it. So let me go and jot all the things I've said down. Let me go and jot it down on my trading journal. Let's jot it down. I hope I'm sharing the entire screen. I just hope so. So let me jot it down. So here's my trading journal. There's my trading journal. Let me jot it down. First of all, let me copy the chart image. Yeah, let me copy the chart image. So whenever I see it, I remember that this is the trade I took, and this was the mistake I made. So okay. Then okay. What did I say? For the first trade, what was the mistake I made? The first trade, what was the mistake I made? Okay, yeah. Mistakes. Um, I didn't wait for price confirmation confirmation on the H zone before entry. Then the other mistake I made was okay, I didn't make mistake on this one. Did I make mistake on this one? No, I didn't make mistake on this particular one. I didn't make mistake here. Okay. The mistake I made, oh yeah, I made a mistake. I entered the trade before New York session opened. Yeah, that was the two mistakes I made. Then lessons that I learned from the trade. Lessons. Um always always how is this thing going backward? Always wait for confirmation on a zone before entry. Then the other lesson I learned was always wait for session opening before you enter to avoid fake outs. So yeah, this was the lessons I learned. Then yes, then here another lesson. Yes. So yeah, this was the lessons I learned. So guys, let me now send it. Okay, let me write dates. Today is 10th. Let me include the dates. 10th, then 07/2024. Then yep, I'm done. Send it, delivered. So that's it. That's my trading journal. I've journaled the trade. So this particular trading journal now is like a group that I created for myself. Yeah, this is me. It's a group I created for myself to just journal my trade. I used to use Telegram before, but ew, Telegram sucks. I prefer WhatsApp. So this is my plan, weekly time frame to map out, blah blah blah. I don't need to tell you this. If you want to know this, come and pay me so I'll teach you how to trade. This is everything. Look at me, I'm showing you guys everything. But even though you guys read it, you never understand because you need explanation, someone else to explain to you. So that's it, guys. Let me close this. That's it, guys. Yeah, stop sharing, stop recording.
So as you can see, at the end of the day, we took another loss today. We took another loss. Lessons learned the hard way. So currently, that's the phase of the competition. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how tomorrow goes. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. We still have like 2 more trading days to go before this week runs out. So let's see how tomorrow goes and next tomorrow goes. Hopefully, we can come up with something positive. You get. So that's just it. Sticking to my risk management, trying my best to not be emotional. That's very, very important. Try my best not to be emotional. Sticking to my risk management plan, which is very, very important. That's my priority, my top priority, to stick to my risk management plan. So that's just it, guys. That's it regarding today's trade. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and after tomorrow's trade. Peace out.